Elon Musk just shocked everyone with the Raptor 2.0 update and started mass production. Elon Musk wants to create a cargo and crew architecture that can be used for journeys between Earth and Mars, and maybe beyond. A huge launch vehicle with a cluster of high-powered engines, a propulsion system for operation in deep space, and a propulsive landing and ascent architecture for operations in the Martian atmosphere are all required to achieve this lofty aim. However, SpaceX's new Raptor engine will bring all of this to life. The Raptor 2.0 is significant because SpaceX has accomplished a lot with this new powerful engine in a short amount of time. For the rocket manufacturing sector, this is fantastic news. Meanwhile, SpaceX's competitors such as Blue Origin and National Aeronautics and Space Administration, aka NASA, are growing too slowly. Some of the other significant players are unable to build their engines, so Raptor 2.0 naturally sounds quite historic. I'm sure you are curious to know more about it, so stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome to the Elon Musk exclusive. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get new updates about technology and developments and basically anything about real Tony Stark Elon Musk. Hit the like button to show your support, and today we'll take a look at how SpaceX completely shuts out the rocket engine manufacturing industry with their Raptor 2.0 production. So without any further ado, let's begin. First and foremost, let me tell you in brief what Raptor is, particularly to those who have almost zero ideas about it. Raptor is a family of full-flow stage combustion cycle rocket engines designed and built by SpaceX for use on the SpaceX Starship, which is currently under development. The engine uses Methalox, which is a cryogenic liquid methane, and LOX instead of Kerolox. Like SpaceX's previous Merlin and Kestrel rocket engines, Kerolox is RP-1 kerosene and LOX. The Raptor engine is more than twice as powerful as SpaceX's Merlin 1D engine, which powers the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy launch vehicles. Raptor is utilized in the Starship system in both the Super Heavy booster and the Starship spaceship, which serves as a second stage when launched from Earth and as an independent spacecraft in LEO and beyond. The Starship will be utilized for a variety of purposes, including Earth orbit satellite delivery, the deployment of a substantial chunk of SpaceX's Starlink satellite constellation, exploration, moon landing, and Mars settlement. Raptor 2.0 is the final version of Raptor after iterative development. In September 2019, SpaceX announced that Raptor 2.0 would be used for the 3 sea-level engines on the Starship second stage, as well as all booster engines on the Super Heavy first stage, including those that gimbal and those that do not. The Raptor 2 engines have yet to fly on any of the Starship prototype vehicles. These engines will be built at SpaceX's new engine development facility near McGregor, Texas, which was announced in July 2021. Elon Musk revealed on his Twitter account on December 18, 2021 that production of the Raptor 2 had begun, and that it will have a force of over 230 tons. So a natural question here is, what is Elon Musk's strategy for producing Raptor 2.0 engines? Elon Musk stated in July 2021 that SpaceX would establish a second rocket engine facility in McGregor. This was good news for the Pleasant, Texas community, around 15 miles west of Waco. The mayor of McGregor issued a statement saying that knowing that any engine utilized by SpaceX initially passed through McGregor fills him with pride. It is significant and revolutionary. That's because the factory is where the Raptor engine, a revolutionary piece of space technology capable of enormous power, is being tested. The Raptor 2.0 rocket engine will be developed at the new rocket factory in McGregor. It is important to note that the plan is to generate one engine every 12 hours and 800 to 1,000 units each year. That, according to Musk, is a massive undertaking that emphasizes the importance of these rockets. To be fair, with only one high-volume type needed, Raptor production may be incredibly efficient, easily outpacing any other big liquid engine production in history, with 800 to 1,000 engines finished each year. In terms of technology, the Soviet Union was producing hundreds of R-7 Soyuz boosters engines per year at its peak in the 1970s and 1980s. On each R-7 Soyuz booster, there are multiple distinct type of engines. The annual production of a single model of any other large liquid rocket engine in history, on the other hand, has never come close to meeting Musk's ambition for SpaceX is moving to the factory. It will be difficult to bring this to a positive outcome, but the eventual result will be a fleet of Starship vehicles capable of traversing the universe and landing humans on Mars. All of this for a fraction of the cost and energy of previous engines. The engine's marginal cost was expected to surpass $1 million in 2019. Each cost will be less than $250,000 under this arrangement. If everything goes according to plan, that facility could become the world's most productive rocket factory, producing hundreds of Raptor engines each year to equip a vast interplanetary fleet of starships and the Earth-bound super heavy boosters that will launch them to Earth's orbit, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. But we have complete faith in this, because, according to residents Neil McGregor, SpaceX recently tested Raptor all day, anytime between 8 AM and 9 PM. CST Elon Musk also revealed this month that SpaceX is making strong work on the Starship's improved Raptor 2.0 engines. Raptor 2.0 now runs at 300 bar main chamber pressure regularly. Well, SpaceX has changed the game yet again. Elon Musk has stated numerous times that he aspires to be the first person to successfully land astronauts on Mars. That will be a major achievement for humanity, unlike anything else in human history. But it won't be accomplished with regular rocket ships, and it won't be accomplished with regular rocket engines. The Raptor engine, as well as the Raptor 2.0 that is now in development, are critical components of SpaceX's future. It possesses a tremendous amount of power that has never been harnessed before. With the science and reusability component, these engines are also achieving things that no other engine has done before. The Raptor engine is something that SpaceX engineers have long wanted but never been able to achieve. It will help you save money, it will conserve energy, and allow enormous spacecraft, such as the spaceship, to bypass our atmosphere and travel directly to Mars. When you realize how vital the new Raptor engine is, not only for SpaceX, but for the future of all space travel, you can see why Musk is pushing his firm to produce these engines at such a rapid pace. With such a rapid rate of growth, SpaceX is quickly becoming the market leader. So how slow is the expansion of other businesses? In comparison, consider NASA and the Space Launch System, the huge rocket that the space agency has been preparing for a decade with numerous delays, including the RS-25, should not be overlooked. To be clear, the overall SLS engine contract is worth between $3 and $5 billion. The RS-25's origins can be traced back to the 1960s. The engine's development began in the 1970s, with the first flight of STS 1.0 taking place on April 12, 1981. It's a place that's a few decades ahead of SpaceX. However, recent rocket problems have caused NASA's return to the Moon to be postponed once more due to a lack of engine readiness. The SLS rocket features a core booster with 4 RS-25 engines, each with its flight controller dubbed the brain of the engine by NASA. To provide system redundancy, each of these flight controllers may operate on 2 channels. Now, one of the controller's channels is malfunctioning, and NASA's choice to replace the equipment has no guarantee that it would be a safe solution. As a result of the RS-25 problems, NASA's rockets will be rendered outdated in comparison to Starship. Finally, we should discuss Blue Origin and BE-4 commitments that were not kept. Blue Origin has become infamous for delaying the delivery of 2 BE-4 engines to United Launch Alliance's Vulcan Centaur rocket. So far, the wait has lasted nearly 5 years. In mid-2022, the delivery may be delayed. To accomplish this deadline, Blue Origin intends to take the rather risky step of shipping the engines to their customer before conducting a thorough quality test run. A rocket engine isn't easy to build. Depending on the most crucial aspect of your business to Jeff Bezos, and Blue Origin is a mistake. But it's too late now. They lacked the time and expertise to construct one themselves. That's all there is to it for today's episode. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts on today's show in the comment section of this video. We would like to know your thoughts on SpaceX's Raptor 2.0. Having said that, let us remind you again to subscribe to the channel and leave us a like, because we will be motivated to develop more high-quality content with your support. Also, ring the notification bell to stay updated with us. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon. Peace.